A decisive restructuring of Zimbabwe's military command structure is underway, following a series of rapid personnel moves at the heart of the country's security establishment, signaling a significant recalibration of power within the state's defense architecture. Sanabita Mashkwamlanyu Kwamzim Achinzi, Minnie Baloyi Demoted in the army, sources allege. And subscribe or like on the bell icon. Sources within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces confirm that a carefully coordinated realignment has been executed under the authority of the Commander-in-Chief, the Zimbabwe Defense Forces High Command. The move follows the elevation of General Ashawota PANE in the rank of a full army general late last year, a promotion that insiders say positioned him strategically within the upper command hierarchy ahead of the latest developments. Military insiders describe the current shake-up as a targeted effort to dismantle what security officials viewed as an emerging center of influence operating around the household of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. ZVAITWA military intelligence sources report that Colonel Minnie Baloyi, spouse of Vice President, has been removed from her operational position and reassigned to what insiders describe as a non-command administrative placement within the General Officer's pool. The reassignment effectively strips the position of the operational authority. Officials familiar with the decision say the measure was designed to end alleged interference in command structures and internal security deliberations related to the state leadership, succession, and constitutional governance. At the same time, the director of the military intelligence, Colonel Mandaza, has reportedly been relieved of his duties, the reassigned for military training in the People's Republic of China. The redeployment is understood to fall under bilateral defense cooperation arrangements between Harare and Beijing. Sources say both actions were carried out quietly and without confrontation, in line with the Zimbabwe Defense Forces standing procedures. The developments comes days after outspoken political figure and former legislator Mamliso publicly warned of tensions within security structures and alleged that Colonel Baloyi had become a conduit for internal military briefings related to political maneuvers surrounding constitutional amendments. Mamliso stated that certain military officers who had recently met to discuss matters concerning him had reportedly delivered their findings directly to Colonel Baloyi in his statement issued on 1 March 2026. This has informed my interactions with esteemed Zimbabwean generals such as Mujuru, Zivanashe, Zimonde, Tungamira Shiri, Chimoyo, Chimombe, and Moyo, reflecting a profound respect for their leadership. It is inconceivable that I could be mentored by such figures if I did not recognize their significance. Nevertheless, we must resist any attempts by certain elements within the security apparatus to suppress individuals' freedoms, particularly when such actions arise solely from the positions of the authority and political ambitions. Doma developments ari kubuda muri Zimbabwe panawo iri kuchuridza iri kutenderera yekudhimotiwa ruwenzo hwaitwa Minnie Baloyi. Pinda comment section meredza funguro imo tudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Usawana subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.